Still here. But now they got this one in. Little Vega. Little Chevy Vega. 1972. Chevy Vega Wagon. What do they call these? Kammbacks? Windshield's busted. I thought this thing was resprayed, or sprayed in a different color, this blue, but I think it might be the original color. Kammback. I think all the rest of the glass is good on it. Full set of these slots. I'm not sure which brand they are. Inside, interior's not too bad. She's got a Quick Silver B&M shifter there. Got one crack on that dash. What's that mileage reading? Is that 65? It's got the keys in it. Oh man, sorry man. Freaking, it's so hot out here. I'm just drenched in sweat, man. This thing was originally a manual. Got some old cassettes, got some Kiss, Headhunter, and what is this, Hank Williams Jr., and a few other ones down there. There's actually quite a bit of cassettes in this thing. And the headliner's not in bad shape, is it? A little saggy, but not too bad. I don't know if y'all can see that VIN. It says 06 of 72. Is that 1V1 5B2U? I think, I'm not sure. I don't know if I mentioned it last. On the road, 2011. Guessing it was the original color. Maybe they just resprayed it the same color. Just got some registration info and insurance info in there. I don't want to put people's info out there, so I don't know what they want for it. Wasn't anybody in the right now in the office. I stepped in there. Obviously, you can tell there's nothing under the hood. I wonder why they had that hole there. Well, there she is. She's been sitting here for a few weeks actually. I just haven't came over here to look at it. So, alright people, on to the next one.